Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Telegram. Unblocking someone allows you to resume conversations and reconnect with contacts you previously blocked. So, let's get started on how to unblock someone on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app. Now, in the chat section, select the user that you want to unblock. Once you have the chat open, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the user's profile settings. In the profile settings, you can see the unblock option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to unblock this user. Tap yes to confirm and the user will be unblocked. And this is how you can unblock someone on Telegram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.